Surely the videos are real. How would you respond
I'm glad you said bouncing along, because that is the key. Here on Earth, if you want to transmit video from a moving vehicle, how do you do it? You transmit to a receiver, usually close by. Formula One do it all the time. They transmit live images from a car doing 200 miles an hour into your television. And it's done because there is a camera and a transmitter on board, and this is 2010 technology. In 1969, we are asked to believe that a buggy bouncing around on the lunar surface, 250,000 miles, 238,000 miles, before anybody questions it, 238,000 miles away, with a dish antenna about 30 centimetres in diameter.
I think we can see that, but can we run the video while we chat of the lunar buggy?
Yeah,
I believe this is Apollo 17, I believe, and you'll see it bouncing along. Here we go. So here we see the lunar rover, as it's called.
And notice the little circular item on the top at the front pointing up. That's pointing towards Earth. Not. Because it can't point towards Earth at all the time. It's bouncing around, it's going in different directions. That is what we are told transmitted the images from the buggy. There was a television camera on the buggy as well that transmitted images to Earth. Okay, what bandwidth would that take? Any technical person could tell us what bandwidth would be required and what power would be required to drive that bandwidth, and what size of receiver here on Earth would be needed to pick up a tiny little bit of signal coming from the moon. I don't think that happens.
In fact, we have a text about the buggies, and do keep your text coming in, by the way. Yep. There's still time if you want to text in. And somebody's saying, actually, how did they even load all those buggies into the rockets? Now, were the buggies really going up into space, or is that in itself, you know, just some other strange, shadowy area that we're not going to get to the bottom of?
It's a very interesting question, because it's only recently that